Go round him. Yeah. Go round him, ignore him. He's doing this because he doesn't want you to film. Move him out the way.
Stop blocking the road!
Get out the road, William! You've trespassed on Ministry of Defence and you're blocking the road! Move out of the way! So hounds are currently in 𝗂𝗚𝗃 below the pub, so below the Castle Inn, near to the minor road. Got hounds in gardens. Master, hounds have been in the back gardens here in 𝗂𝗚𝗃. Hounds are currently in people's back gardens. You are currently trespassing, 𝗪𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗀. No comment from a master of the Warwickshire Hunt as to why hounds are currently in back gardens.
What do you have to say to that?
What are you going to do, Olivia, or have you just lied?
So that resident just saw the hounds chase a fox through her garden?
So, I was up a ladder, using a chainsaw, doing a lady's hedge as part of my job. I looked down, a fox is running between the ladder legs. A pack of dogs has then jumped into the back garden, knocked my ladder over when I've got my chainsaw in my hand. I've kicked them away, they bit my leg. I've gone to speak to them, and they've either ignored me, ridden past, or denied any ownership of the dogs. It was really, really dangerous. Really dangerous. I'm doing a day's work and I've been attacked by a pack of dogs. And then nobody seems interested when I've said I need to speak to who owns the hounds. Because I'm not being bitten by a dog, I'm not being locked off a ladder when I've got a chainsaw in my hand.